Okay, so for today, try nating mag-solve ng isang problem about electrostatics. So a 24-volt source and two capacitors are connected in series. If one capacitor has 20 picofarad capacitance and has 16 volts across it, what is the capacitance of the other capacitor? Okay, so siguro try nating i-represent yung problem by drawing a diagram, no? Para mas ma-visualize natin yung connection. So, meron tayong source dito. And two capacitors in series. Yan. So, C1 and C2. Yung capacitor natin na una, meron daw siyang 20 PF capacitance. So, 20 PF and 16 volts across it. Ngayon, hinahanap naman natin is yung capacitance nung pangalawang capacitor. Okay. So, siguro try natin gamitin, so for this problem, yung voltage dividers for capacitors. So, for voltage dividers sa capacitors natin, meron tayong formula na Vx, wherein yung V natin is ito yung hinahanap na voltage for that specific capacitor, and Vs or yung V total natin, yung source, multiplied by kung ano yung hinahanapan nating capacitor. So, pero naka-reciprocal siya. So, 1 over Cx divided by 1 over Cx plus 1 over Cy. So, kung ano mang capacitor yan. So, for this problem, meron tayong Vx na 16 volts. So, 16 volts, since yan yung available sa isang capacitor natin. Next, V source natin, 24. And itong 16 volts na to is associated dito sa 20 PF natin. So, ilagay natin 1 over 20 divided by 1 over 20 plus 1 over C2. So, ngayon, meron na tayong equation to solve the problem. Okay? So, yung C2 yung hinahanap natin. Okay, so let's try to solve. So, to simplify, siguro divide muna natin both sides by 24, no? So, 16 divided by 24 is equal to 1 over 20 divided by 1 over 20 plus 1 over C2. So, 16 over 24. So, ang sagot niyan is, I think, 2/3. So, 8, 16, 24. So, 2/3. So, lagay natin dito, 2/3 is equal to 1 over 20 divided by 1 over 20 plus 1 over C2. Next, itry natin i-divide naman both sides ng 1 over 20. So, 2/3 divided by 1 over 20 is equal to, so makakancel na to kapag dinivide natin both sides by 1 over 20. So, magiging 1 over 20 plus 1 over C2. So, simplify natin to. 2/3 times 20 is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20 plus 1 over C2. So, ang sagot is 40 over 3 is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over C2. Next, so para ma-simplify natin itong part na to, siguro try natin i-reciprocal na lang, no? So, magiging 3 over 40 siya is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over C2. Next, to isolate yung may variable na C2, i-subtract natin both sides by 1 over 20. So, 3 over 40 minus 1 over 20 is equal to 1 over C2. Next, siguro try natin i-reciprocal ulit para maging C2 na siya. So, lagay ko na dito sa left side. So, C2 is equal to 1 over 3 over 40 minus 1 over 20. Okay, so try natin, no, if may makukuha tayong sagot. Solve natin. So 1 over 3 over 40 plus, or minus pala, minus 1 over 20. Ang sagot is 40. 40 picofarad. Okay, so picofarad siya since hindi na natin kinuha yung units niya para mas simplified yung pag-solve natin ng problem. So, kung PF yung mga ginamit nating capacitance, so in PF din yung makukuha natin dito. So, C2 is equal to 40 picofarads, which is letter D for this problem. Okay, so with that, thank you sa pakikinig and panonood. See you again sa next video natin. Bye guys!